My name is Tafazwa. I'm a student from Kwadzana 2 High. I'm 14 years old. I'm a health club school member. At Healthy Club, we learned that we have to do hand washing for several times due to COVID-19. We also taught people that we have to pick up papers for the sake of healthy and also hygiene.
We educate our peers, our parents, and the families in the community. By doing this, we can help our people that are around the yard to know that good health gives good hygiene and long life. And although hand washing is a very big necessity in our community right now because people are suffering from cholera, typhoid, and others.
Here at Kwadzana 2 High School, our school health club promotes safe and clean environment and behavioral change. They impact knowledge on other students on how to wash their hands, on how to keep themselves clean, on personal hygiene issues. On the murals, we would like to thank Go and UNICEF for the murals. Those murals, they teach our children on how to wash their hands because of the pictorial view.
So the impact of the murals is to always remind us of the good practices of health and hygiene, which always reminds us to wash our hands, usually before eating.
At Kwadzana 2 High School, our school is clean because of the health club. We are advising people at home that they have to do also hygiene.
My name is John T. Filipo, and I'm a student at Tafara 2 High School. Before we had that water supply, people used to fetch water outside.
Before we had the water supply, we were facing some challenges. We are very grateful as Tafara school children. Now we have a nearby water supply. Most of the students were not coming to the school. Now they are coming in large numbers. Our Form 1 learners and others are safe. They are not experiencing abuse. They were bullied by others outside the gate searching for water. Our health is being improved. We are free from diseases. We can now clean our hands. So we need to thank the UK Aid, UNICEF and Go.
My name is Alan Mambo. I'm a teacher here at Mabazwa Secondary School, teaching history. In terms of sanitation, we'd like to thank Go Zimbabwe, UNICEF and also the United Kingdom for providing the water station sanitation that we have at this school. We can see that sanitation among its learners is improved. And I could say every time they come to the school, they're excited to pass through the water stations and wash their hands so that they will be clean. Even after leaving the toilets, they'll still go back to the washing station and also wash their hands.
Takatanga club yedu muno muzambuko tina nambuya Simba ndokubva yamboti dzikirei ndokubva yazosumudzirwa nokufamba kwenguva nokutrenwa kwati kaitwawo nevekanzuru vachakabatana neveGo. Saka izvino club yedu inopa community zvinhu zvakawanda zvikuru. Tinodzidzisa vanhu kuti mabhini anoitwa sei, kuseparata mabhini, uye tinodzidzisa vanhu kuti mvura yakanaka inoita kuti vasaite manyoka yakaita sei. Saka club yedu iri kuenderera mberi. Club ino inoitwa zambuko yatiri yekuno Kwadzana 7. Pari zvino inowanisa vanhu mvura yakachena. Mvura inowanikwa pano inenge ine mushonga nguva nenguva. Saka area yedu yamuri kuona inoi hatisisina dambudziko remanyoka. Motikari dzinombotinetsei dzokutakura marara. Takadzidzisa zvemusha kuti marara tinoadzivirira sei. Tinotora mashizha toisa pawo, totora mapepa toisa pawo, magaba toisa pawo. Mapepa ane kwaanototengeswa, mapurasitiki ane kwaanototengeswa.
Kubva patikatanga club yedu yezambuko yaya ichindibatsira zvakanyanyisa panyaya yehealth, yehygiene. Ndakwanisawo kurera mwana wangu asina matambudziko abva achisangana naye, chimudzivirirawo pazvirwere zvinosanganisira netyphoid necholera, izvo zvaasina kumbobvira akasangana nazvo kusvika akure pari zvino. Tinokutendai zvikuru vanhu veGo, veUNICEF, vekanzuru nemiwo vashandi vemuhurumende nekutibatsira zvakapfurikidza paclub yedu inonzi Zambuko Community Health Club yedu yemuKwadzana 7.